All right, guys, so let's talk about the after repair value, the ARV. One of two most important calculations you'll do, the other being the estimated repair cost. This right here is the ARV. What does the ARV mean? What does it even mean? It is the value of the home after it's been completely renovated, right? So this is when your buyer buys from you, they do the full renovation, top to bottom, make it beautiful. What's the value of that home after that happens, right? So how do we find the value? We use comparables in the area. We use what's called comps. That's short for comparables. Comps are renovated homes within a close distance of the subject home. That can be half a mile radius. That can be 0.25 miles radius. That can be the subdivision that it's in, same street that it's in. We're going to go over all that in the actual examples that we have following this chapter here. But you want close by homes near the subject home. That's the homes that you're going to use for your comps. And when you're comping, you want to use homes that have similar stats, right? You want to use homes that have similar beds, baths, square footage. We don't want to comp 1,000 square foot home with a 3,000 square foot home. That's not a comparable. They don't compare. So we want to use those similar homes with similar stats. The more recent the comp, the better, obviously, right? If I have a house in the same subdivision that sold 10 months ago versus a house that sold a month ago, both of them have been completely renovated. Which one's a better comp? The one that sold a month ago. That's the most recent comp that we can use. Why? Because the market has shifted over that time period. We want to use the most recent comp that would show us, okay, that's the value in this current market. And the measurement that we use for comps is price per square foot. You're going to hear me say that a ton. The price per square foot, price per square foot. That's the measurement we use, right? So, for example, if you have 1,000 square foot home that sold for $100,000, it sold for $100 a square foot. That's just one example. That's as simple as it gets. So we'll use that metric, that measurement for all ARVs and all comps, everything, price per square foot. And that's just a quick rundown of what it is. For ARV, finding the ARV, it takes practice. It takes a lot of reps to do it. You won't be perfect your first time. You got to keep comping properties, keep understanding how to do it. So I put you have multiple examples following this lesson right here. Multiple examples in different locations. Do not skip any of those examples. I tried to spread it out across the U.S. to give you different fields of different markets and how to comp and give you more reps. But the more and more you comp properties, the better you'll get, guys. I'll see you in the next chapter.